All right, this is the second lesson on adding this is the second lesson on fractions, and it's adding fractions. And we're going to start with adding fractions that have the same denominator. So I've just written up something here. So if I have 1 over 6 plus 4/6, then the key to this is if the denominators are the same, you do not change the denominator, and you can just add up the numbers quite simply. So that's what I've done here. I've taken 1 over 6 and 4 over 6, and I've done 1 over 6 plus 4 over 6. 1 plus 4 equals 5, and then I leave the denominator the same, so the answer is 5 over 6. So you do not change the denominator if it is the same. All right, so let's keep going. So if I have 4 over 5 plus 2 over 5, you see the denominator is the same. So in this situation, I don't have to change anything. I just have to add 4 and 2, and that gives me 6. And the denominator stays the same. So it's 6 over 5. Same with the 10s down here, 8 over 10 plus 5 over 10. I know that 8 plus 5 equals 13, and the denominator stays the same. That's the key. Denominator stays the same. 21 over 15 plus 10 over 15. I know that 21 plus 10 is 31, and the denominator stays the same. Okay? Good. So now, what if the denominators are different and you have to figure out a way to add these things? So I've got 1/2 plus 1/3. How do I get it so those two numbers are able to multiply? Or sorry, able to add. So I have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. What I need to do is find the lowest common multiple. And in this situation, I know that both 2 and 3 go into 6. So whatever I do to here, I have to get this number to 6. I have to do whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I know that 2 times 3 equals 6. So there, I've got the denominator to the 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I times 1 times 3 because whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do the top. So now I have 3 over 6. If I bring the 1/3 down here, and say I got to get this 3 and I want it to become a 6, I know 3 times 2 equals 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Then I have to do the same to the top. So 1 times 2 equals 2. So in the end, I have 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, and that equals 5 over 6. You see the denominators are the same. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 over 6 is your answer. And that's how you add when the denominators are not the same. 4 over 5 plus 2 over 10. I need to get this to a common denominator. So the 4 over 5, I know that 5 times 2 equals 10. So I have to do the same to the top. So that's 8. So 8 over 10 plus 2 over 10 equals 10 over 10. Try these ones. See what you can do. And then there's also worksheets that I want you to do on adding fractions. Good luck.